Welcome to this 14th edition of ECOdolomites amidst the most beautiful mountains of the world, the Dolomites, UNESCO World Heritage. Now we are meeting up in Bolzano. Bolzano is the door to the Dolomites, and Bolzano has a lovely fair, and this is where we're meeting up to show you what the mobility of the future is going to be like and to talk about it. So we've got consumers coming here with their own cars, with their own vehicles, to show them, to ask their questions to other consumers so there can be an exchange. And then we have, of course, all those who are selling e-vehicles or selling services regarding e-mobility, and they'll be coming here too. So we're meeting up to talk about the future of mobility. For us, though, it is very important also to say that we don't want to change normal cars with electric cars. That is not the sense of the mobility of the future. So where it is possible, we want to move by foot. If not by foot, then of course using a bike. If we don't have a bike, then using public transport. But we still have lots of situations where we need a car, where we need a vehicle. And when we need a vehicle, it must be an electric vehicle. That's our credo, and that's what we're here for at ECODolomites, organized from EcoMove here in Bolzano Fair. What else we have here? We have lots of talks. It's called Eco Summit. We want to learn from other people, from other experiences all around the world. We're going to learn about Uruguay. Uruguay wants to change not only their mobility but all their energy. So they want to get away from oil and only have sustainable energy, and that is very important. So we can learn about them. We'll have more YouTubers as well. We'll learn about them, about their experiences, and I'll be thankful if you come to Bolzano, if you can come here, if you are here already. Every year, it's the second weekend of September, we're going to meet up for ECODolomites, organized from EcoMove. Great to see you.